Turmeric shots are concentrated drinks made from fresh turmeric root and other ingredients to provide a potent dose of curcumin and other beneficial compounds. Here's a simple recipe for making turmeric shots. Ingredients: fresh turmeric root, about 2–3 inches. Fresh ginger root, about 1 inch. Fresh lemon or lime, 1. Black pepper, a pinch. Optional: honey or a natural sweetener for taste. Prep the turmeric and ginger. Peel the fresh turmeric and ginger roots using a vegetable peeler or the edge of a spoon. Grate or finely chop the turmeric and ginger roots. You can also use a juicer if you have one. Juice the lemon or lime. Squeeze the lemon or lime to extract the juice. You'll need about 1–2 tablespoons of juice. Add a pinch of black pepper to the mixture. Black pepper contains piperine, which can enhance the absorption of curcumin. If desired, you can add a teaspoon of honey or a natural sweetener to balance the strong flavors. Blend or mix. Use a blender or a food processor to blend the mixture until you get a smooth consistency. If you prefer, you can also use a mortar and pestle to grind the ingredients together. Strain, optional. If you prefer a smoother shot, strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer to remove any pulp or fibers. Pour and serve. Pour the turmeric shot into small shot glasses. Take the shot as is or dilute it with a bit of water if you find it too concentrated. Remember that turmeric has a strong flavor, and the shots can be quite potent. Starting with a small amount and gradually increasing the quantity can help you get used to the taste and the effects on your body. If you have any underlying health conditions or are on medications, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet.